Still recording.
Sun is good, right?
What's up, Jan? I think you got exhaust leak, buddy. Hey, Jan, I think you got exhaust leak, buddy.
You think?
Over there.
Everybody's watching over here.
That was a really good idea, man.
Well, it's gonna clean it up. It needs it. I know.